Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 30. Dew point 22. Altimeter 3007. Remarks. Density altitude 2560.
Finals clear. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, taking the active 15, departing on 15, turn out to the west. Cleburne. Finals clear. Center line. Line departure 15. Altitude reporting. Advance the throttle. Looking for 64 on the
seatbelt traffic, Skyhawk 6737 Alpha, 7 miles southwest, we'll fly over midfield.
64, right rudder,
full stop,
center line.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 108 is 7 miles south, inbound practice RNAV 33, circle 15, Cleburne.
On the go. Positive right.
Cottermill traffic, jump plane is 45 left downwind, 18 full stop, Cottermill.
On the climb.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 17 Charlie departing runway 15, southbound departure, Cleburne.
Well, wait till I turn out. 300 feet of pattern altitude, look right, turn right.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 108 is 5 miles south, inbound practice RNAV 33, circle 15, Cleburne.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 172 Charlie just departed runway 15, flying straight out for southbound departure, climbing to 2,500, Cleburne traffic.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, we're 4 west, departing the area, Cleburne.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 108 has that southwest departing traffic in sight. We'll start our circle behind you.
Stephenville, Clark Field Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 2204 Zulu weather wind 080 at 5 visibility 10 clear below 12,000 temperature 32 Celsius dew point 19 altimeter 2997 remarks density altitude 3,600.
Stephenville traffic, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, taking the active 14, departing 14, turn out to the east, Stephenville. Check final. Oh, final's clear. Go up. Line. One, 4. Advance the throttle.
Forward Center American 2479, winds you at 350, discretion 240.
Southwest 1909, contact regional approach 135.907.
35907, Southwest 1909, thank you.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 1802 Victor 8, west, landing, Cleburne.
Cleburne Regional Airport. Automated weather observation test. 2225 Zulu. Wind 050 at 07. Visibility 10. Sky condition broken 5,500. Temperature 32. Dew point 19er. Altimeter 2988. Remarks. Density altitude 3060.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, entering a right base for a 15 full stop, Cleburne.
500, short final runway 15.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, turning final 15 full stop, Cleburne. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, clear of the active on Delta, Cleburne.